Hello from Brazil. Today we are going with Eric to walk in Atlantic Forest. So we came here where is Foz, where is waterfalls Iguaçu. We entered in the park, paid like 26 reais because we are living in this city, so we have discount. Like for regular tourists, I think it's about 100 reais, and then we paid 26 reais per person. And now we're entering the path, Caminho das Bananeiras. So let's see how is that. In order to see the waterfalls, you need to exit in the end. By accident you can meet the jaguar here in the forest, and here is the instructions how you have to behave. Look how many butterflies, I think, warming up on the sun. Beautiful. We already arrived to the spot, to the end of Trilha, to the end of the path, and I'm gonna show you. Here is a beautiful view. Here is the river Iguaçu, and out of this river the waterfalls are getting out. Waterfalls Iguaçu, Cataratas. Here's nobody is here. The path is about 1 kilometer and 300 meters. Just good to walk, and a beautiful view. And here are a lot of butterflies. I don't know if you can see it. And they are all trying to sit on you as well. So it's just pretty. And a lot of bees. É, eu sei.
Elas estão lá na rede.
Ah, é?
Elas tomaram posse.
Yeah. There are a lot of like bees and some flies and so on. So let's say I need to put some repellent, some stuff on your body. Do not be bitten. It's so quiet here. So nice. No people here. And sometimes you can hear the sound like that insect. In Russian is called cicada. I'm not sure what is in English. And in Portuguese is cigarra. And it makes sounds like electricity, like when they sing. Very beautiful. Did you like it?
Yeah, the view is beautiful, and the path, the way it's pretty easy. 1.3 kilometers distance. Very nice. No big deal. Of course, it's not something like wow, no, but something different. And as it's included in the ticket, so you can go to Cataratas, stop here, and make this quick tour, quick walk.
Exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.